Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Ashakin binti Amran and my ID matric is PC22115. So, this is our group assignment which is from course Project Management BPQ 2233. And so, the group assignment we choose based on wood-based industry which is Wellwood Trading STN BHT. So this is presented by Delta C. So the total of table of content are nine, which is the first one is our team, and at the end of the presentation is conclusion. So we put the flow to make sure the presentation will be clean and easy. So again, my name is Nur Ashakin binti Amran and my ID mention is PC22115. So I will present about the introduction, which is background of the company. So Wellwood Trading SPN BHD was founded in 2015 with the vision of being on region's leading provider of high quality of wood products, bring on for its commitment to sustainability, innovation, and excellence in customer service. So, Wellwood Trading SPN BHD company. So, Wellwood Trading SPN BHD's company reach extend throughout Malaysia and beyond, encompassing key market in Indonesia, India, and Philippines. So next, I will also present about the project detail, which is background of the project and the project scope. So East Coast Rail, which is ECRL project, which they are implementing in the East Coast area. This project aim to connect the East Coast states of Peninsula Malaysia with the West Coast, fostering enhanced connectivity and economic growth. So the new railway line will establish connections between the states of Kelantan, Terengganu, and Pahang, thereby enhancing regional transportation infrastructure. So next, the ECRL project constructed bridges and tunnels over 665 km of tracks to navigate nation's various geography and maintain a continuous and efficient rail network.
Assalamualaikum to Madam Suzy. My name is Aina Najwa binti Japri. My ID number is PC22116. So today I would like to continue with initiation phase. Initiation phase is the time in the project life cycle when the project idea is defined, evaluated, and they are authorized to proceed with the project. In this project, we are interviewing Mr. Lim Poh Tiong from Wellwood Trading Sendirian Berhad. The project that we get from this interview is the East Coast Rail, which is ECRL project. The start date of this project is around 10 October 2022 and the end of the ECRL project is February 2024. The project that Wellwood Trading got is to make a railway for this project. The purpose of this project is to increase economic development in East Coast states such as Kelantan, Terengganu and Pahang. Based on Mr. Lim, they were overtaken by this project because this company is the closest to the East Coast area. Other than that, the ECRL project will provide a more efficient route for transportation that can reduce travel time and cost. Even though the ECRL project is still ongoing and still in the process, part of the project like the railway has already been done due to Mr. Lim and their company commitment. For the activities of this project, ECRL project known as East Coast Rail Link, which is ECRL, is a 665 km long railway project that is being developed by Malaysia Rail Link, which is MRLSB. The new railway line will connect the state of Kelantan, Terengganu and Pahang. So in this activity, Mr. Lim will always prepare 3 months before the wood stocks run out. And for the ECRL project, Mr. Lim already ordered tons of wood that cost around 1,000 ringgit for that 2 years to complete the railway of ECRL project.
I will continue with planning phase. The following phase, known as the planning phase, is when the procedure necessary to accomplish the project objective are planned and the project solution is produced in as much detail as feasible. Each team lists all the tasks that need to be completed in this step. The tasks involved in the project are determined as the resources needed and the method for producing them. Even though planning a project is a never-ending activity, it can concentrate on creating sufficient specific on to enable the different project team members to effectively coordinate their work and enable the project management team to determine priorities. Next, the purpose of the project is Wellwood Trading Indian Berhad Company has successfully worked on the ECRL project by channeling the wood material available in its factory for the construction of the railway connecting the East Coast District. The ECRL project is currently under construction, which has demonstrated the state progress toward the goal. Purpose to accomplish economic growth, increase transport efficiency, sustainable development, social benefit, infrastructure modernization, strategic national development, and technical advancement. The ECRL project has multiple goals in the planning stage. The ECRL project aims to considerably contribute to Malaysia's long-term development and prosperity by addressing 5 important areas. The importance of the project is crucial for several reasons, chief among them being the project's potential to spur regional growth and the economy. The ECRL improved connectivity and accessibility are intended to boost East Coast economic growth in Malaysia. Increased trade, tourism and investment may result from this, strengthening the local and national economy in the process. Next, the efficiency of transport infrastructure development. The goal of ECRL is to offer a more dependable and efficient means of the transportation for both people and cargo. This can shorten travel times, lower transportation expenses, and ease road traffic congestion. The activities of the project is here are the main activities in the planning process. Feasibility studies and initial planning are 2 of them. The project in which Wellwood Trading Indian Berhad was involved began on 10 October 2022 and it recently concluded in February 2024. The ECRL project process, which required the uses of the resources like wood for the trade construction, took a while to finish step by step. Participation of stakeholders throughout the undertaking. List every entity interested in or impacted by the project, including local communities, governmental organizations, and others. Financial planning comes next. According to Wellwood Trading Indian Berhad, the construction of the wood-based track is expected to cost nearly 1 million Malaysian ringgit. Costs for upkeep and operation are included.
Next part, I will continue that performing phase. Firstly is the ECRL project planning will be carried out and the project team will also be involved in achieving the set of project objective. This performing phase involves planning, execution with each processing monitoring and also measuring each progress and maintaining quality that will have a good impact on the ECRL project. Secondly is effective costs. Effective cost management practice allowed the project to be complete within the allocated budget. They demonstrate Wellwood Trading ability to control expenses and optimize resources efficiently. Thirdly is Wellwood Trading maintained the positive relationship with stakeholders, fostering and cooperation support throughout the project. This collaboration was crucial for ECRL project to success. Next part is closing phase. Firstly is the closing phase of the ECRL project is when the project activities are complete, the final goods or service have been provided to the stakeholders and a comprehensive evaluation of the project performance is complete. The purpose of closing phase will be to ensure that ECRL project is complete successfully on the time within budget and to the satisfaction of the stakeholders. By completing the closing phase effectively, the project team ensure the project is formally brought to the end and any remaining loose ends are tied up. This all organization to realize that the benefit of the project and to transition smoothly to the next phase or project.
In completing this ECRL project, they are also having some challenges, which is in resource allocation and scheduling. In making railways, there would be a lot of wood that they need, which is ECRL project team need. So, Wellwood Trading has some issues in having the type of wood that ECRL project team need. Because of the criteria of the woods in making the railway is that they want is Meranti wood. And this is because in the interview, Mr. Lim has said that Meranti wood has good quality when it comes to building and constructing. So, ECRL project team has requested Mr. Lim to provide them with a Meranti woods with the measure that they have set. For Mr. Lim, this has been a quite big challenge for their company because the ECRL team is a bit complicated with their criteria of the woods. Or else, if it not achieved the criteria, the woods that they have ordered will be go wasted. Other than that, they also face some challenge in this is because it happens when Mr. Lim wants to order the woods. Their team, which is ECRL project team, already set the date and time when the Meranti woods must come at the site. But Wellwood Trading cannot make it fast because there are a lot of procedure that they have to go through. And they also have some issues with their schedule when the woods that are used for ECRL project are out of stock. So, from this we can see Wellwood Trading is not only focuses on one project, but they also have another project on that time. So, when that happened, Mr. Lim ordered the woods based on the ECRL project team date and time, but the woods cannot come on time, which caused the project delay for a month. And this become an issue because the company and the project had different schedule and Mr. Lim could not always deliver the woods on time.
Result of the project initiation phase. Achievement. In an interview, Mr. Lim Po Tiong from Wellwood Trading Sdn Bhd discussed the East Coast Rail ECRL project which will begin in October 2022 and end in February 2024. The project success in the initiation phase ensure clarity, feasibility, evaluation and approval for later stages. For non-achievement in initiation phase is the project phase challenge in the initiation phase, including financial need and potential risk, which could have impact the project intent outcome. Impact of planning phase. Achievement. The planning phase is crucial for project success, involving creating a detailed plan that breaks down tasks, allocate resource, define timeline and establish a budget. For non-achievement in planning phase is the project, despite detailed planning, lack flexibility, potentially leading to delay or missed opportunity for improvement due to its rigid nature. Impact of performing phase. Achievement for performing phase is Wellwood Trading Sdn Bhd successfully managed the ECRL project adhering to budget and quality standard, expanding networking opportunity and improving transportation efficiency. For non-achievement in performing phase, the project long-term impact is uncertain, necessitating a more comprehensive evaluation to assess sustainability, infrastructure maintenance, and Wellwood Trading brand image. Impact of closing phase. Achievement for closing phase. The closing phase of the ECRL project involves formally completing activity, conducting performance evaluation, documenting insight, transitioning to the next project, and incorporating lesson learned. For non-achievement in closing phase is ineffective handover of a project to stakeholder can cause confusion and the benefits realization and lead to dissatisfaction, necessitating through review of feedback and project outcome for continuous improvement. Overall, on impact, success or failure, Wellwood Trading Sdn Bhd success or failure depend on their ability to adapt to their project, meeting their need in supply quality wood product. Each phase present potential for improvement, making each problem valuable for future project.
This is part of recommend potential improvement for future project. Identify the project improvement objective. Company management must be crystal clear about what they want to improve and why before diving into project documentation. They execute project more successfully. The manager of Wellwood Chinese India Berhad must increase productivity, quality, customer happiness, and teamwork. The project can be brought into compliance with goal value or strategic standard. In this case, company manager can concentrate on the most pertinent and significant phase of project documentation by setting goals for future project improvement. Managers of company must assess project plans that they intend to carry out later on. A project scope, objective, money, schedule, resources, and risks are all detailed in a company project plan, which serves as the project blueprint. A corporation can evaluate in its ability to design, carry out, and oversee its project by looking over the project plan. The project manager of Wellwood Chinese India Berhad can evaluate the project manager's ability to effectively handle dependence and limitation, as well as the project plan flexibility. Examine project reports that are intended for implementation, the performance advancement and project challenges that Wellwood Chinese India Berhad has incurred and documented in the company project report. Before beginning any new project, managers of the company should review project reports to determine the extent to which the organization can meet the expectation of all parties involved and provide project results. Managers of business must promote open communication and involvement with all parties involved, including the government and local communities. This is to make sure that their issues are taken care of and that their suggestions are incorporated into the project's planning and execution. Next, give safety a top priority by putting in place grade separation, signal system, and other safety measures to avoid mishap and guarantee employee welfare. Manager of company must put plans into place to optimize the economic advantage to the community, including chance for local suppliers and companies to participate in projects, the creation of jobs, and the development of skills. Therefore, company managers should implement project improvement action for the future of the company. This can improve the quality of a project towards the progress of the company.
Management software. Wellwood Trading using 3 management software, which is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Project, and engaging subcontractor. Firstly, Microsoft Excel, a software that enhances productivity, data management, and decision making by efficiently tracking sales, inventory, customer information, and financial modeling, including forecasting, budgeting, and scenario analysis. Microsoft Project, a software that aids project managers in planning, scheduling, and monitoring projects, enabling users to create plans, assign tasks, allocate resources, and set deadlines, ensuring timely and budget-friendly completion.
In conclusion, the company Wellwood Chinese India Berhad managed to successfully complete in sub-project, which is the construction of the ECRL track, in such a favorable manner. Its company is also involved in the project and has contributed to the development of the country. Wellwood Chinese India Berhad company has effectively used the 4 project life cycle when implementing the ECRL project at the construction site. By using the life cycle of this project, all activities carried out can be very careful and smoothly. The sub-project for Wellwood Chinese India Berhad has also been successfully completed within the specific period. All the challenges and faced by this company during the project will be a lesson for future projects. Careful planning, open governance, and continued stakeholder involvement are necessary to address these issues and guarantee that projects are carried out to achieve their goals in a fair and sustainable way. In summary, the ECRL is a revolutionary project that has the potential to economic growth in Malaysia and has connectivity and advanced sustainable development. Its effective execution will demonstrate Malaysia's capacity to carry out projects that benefit both the present and the next generation. Lastly, it is critical that all the recommendations made in these studies are carried out successfully and that the building process is closely supervised to optimize the project's benefits and to reduce economic and environmental expenses. Stakeholders fully implement the governance procedure like monitoring, reporting, and auditing that have been implemented. Managers of the company will make sure that all employees, including consultants, contractors, suppliers, and other parties involved in project implementation, are committed to the environmental rules. To carry out the ECRL project, the management of Wellwood Chinese India Berhad is also dedicated to keeping in touch with all parties involved. That's all from us. Thank you.